During the time that you were DGM of PCSO, do you remember that you have appointed several members of your family?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
How many? Seven, 8, 9, or 10?
Mr. Chair, referring to the appointment po na hired sa PCSO and paid by PCSO.
Whatever, position, appointed as secretary, or
more or less
whatever.
5. I'm sure more than 5, Mr. Chair.
7.
Yeah.
And one of those is your daughter. Am I correct? You appointed her as confidential agent. Yes or no?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You appointed your daughter who is sick as a confidential agent. And do you know the meaning of a confidential agent?
Yes,
Why did you
Mr.
appoint
Chair.
your daughter if she's sick?
Mr. Chair, during that time, ang diagnosis lang po sa kanya is dyslexia.
Yeah, you told us.
That is actually
And what's the reason why you appointed
hindi
her?
naman po ibig sabihin mentally ano po ang dyslexia. Lumabas lang po yung bipolar niya after I left PCSO.
Okay. Do you know the qualifications of confidential agent?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Or what
there
are the
must be
qualifications of confidential agent? Tell me.
Someone you could trust on
I
matters.
will tell you the qualification of a confidential agent. 1, a bachelor's degree in criminal justice. 2, may experience siya. Previous experience in law enforcement. Meron ba siyang experience sa law enforcement? Your daughter?
I'm not aware of that.
You're not aware. You're together with her for 23 years. Hindi ka aware kung
No.
meron siyang experience sa law enforcement? Meron ba siya? Wala o meron? Wala.
None, Mr.
Oh,
Chair.
correct. Anong skill niya? Yung analytical skill niya. Ability to analyze information in order to be a confidential agent.
She's very competent in report writing, Mr. Chair, in editing communications.
At any rate, sige. Okay. So, basically, she's sick, but you appointed her as a confidential agent.
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Yeah, go ahead.
Dyslexia is not a disease. It is a learning disorder, but she was able to overcome it, Mr. Chair, and continues po yung therapy niya during that time. She's very brilliant in communication. In fact, she writes articles in their school po siyang gumagawa during that time nang nasa high school po siya, Mr. Chair.
Pero may experience ba siya bilang law enforcement as confidential
I
agent?
don't feel naman po na
Those are the qualifications that are written for the confidential agent. Okay. How about Marie Luis Sejorales? Yung first cousin mo.
yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. She was also in PCSO, correct?
Yes,
Anong
Mr.
position ang
Chair.
lagay mo sa kanya?
I think she was appointed as a nurse, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, siya rin ang lagay mong in charge sa mga pagkain doon, correct?
No, Mr. Chair.
Hindi mo
not
siya
po.
nilagay?
No, sir.
I will be asking the... can we ask the official of the PCSO to be in here? Si Attorney... yes, also si AGM Gabuyo, si Attorney Insyong, yung HR manager natin, si Attorney Paquera, and all other PCSO official who are invited. Si Doris Garma, yung sister-in-law mo, ano naging position niya doon sa yung asawa ni Chuck Garma? Ano naging position niya sa PCSO?
Sa admin po siya.
Sa admin.
Nailagay ko po siya sa
Okay.
admin po, Mr.
Si Howard
Chair.
Mansan, yung iyong first cousin sa mother side, saan mo nilagay?
Consultant po sa IT, Mr. Chair.
We have invited also Howard Mansan. Andito ba si Howard Mansan? Can we ask him to be present in here as well? Very important tong si Howard Mansan, ha? Consultant siya ng IT. Mother side, first cousin ni GM Garma. And si yung asawa ni Howard Mansan, did you appoint her?
She's my private secretary,
Correct.
Mr. Chair.
Si Irene Mansan.
Yes.
So she was also present or appointed as a official of the PCSO. How about yung Yung asawa ng first cousin mo na si Emmy Ubales.
Yes, Mr. Chair. I
She was also
hired her.
appointed?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. And how about Junjun Ubales?
He was
Naka-detail
detailed
sa
to me
iyo.
as security, Mr.
Si Junjun
Chair.
Ubales ay ang first cousin mo who was detailed sa PCSO.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. So how many how about andyan ba si Emmy Ubales? We have invited her as well, Mr. Chair, to be a part of this hearing. Andyan ba? GM Garma, don't you think it's quite unethical for a general manager to put all mga cousins, daughter, in-laws
Mr.
as
Chair.
part of your circle in the PCSO?
Mr. Chair, the positions that were given to them, ang requirement lang po is trust and confidence, Mr. Chair. Just like
Okay.
anybody in appointed, Mr. Chair.
How about si Igel? Did you appoint him as
Igel?
legal researcher? Awakay?
Argel.
Siya namamahala
There
ng...
was we posted the vacancy, Mr. Chair. I think she applied and she was qualified as a researcher, Mr. Chair. She was hired.
Okay,
After
HR. Gusto ko lang malaman sa HR. Si Cynthia Kiboloy Regudo. Ma'am. Can you kindly sit here?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Siya ba na-appoint si Igel Awakay? Siya nag-handle ng STL Core Group, correct?
Mr. Chair, Igelet Awakay was appointed Technical Assistant A.
Technical
during-
assistant.
Yes po, sir.
But what is his position in the operation of the STL Core Group?
With regards to her position sa SCG po, I am not aware of that, Your Honor.
Hindi po kayo aware.
Hindi po, because hindi naman po nanggaling
But
sa HRD
siya ay
po.
technical assistant,
Yes po.
appointed.
Ah,
Why
yun
not
pong-
si Tony Galileo ang na-appoint bilang legal research? Bakit a certain job order in the position of Igel ang na-appoint doon?
Ms. Awakay applied for that position, Your Honor, and he was accepted based on merit.
Sige, okay. Because we will be dealing this in the next hearing, I just wanted to abbreviate this issue. But in the next hearing, we will be discussing it as well. Because there are certain issues regarding the feasibility study of all the STL operation in the whole country being manipulated by this person. Iisa ang template nyo. Submit all the templates of all the submission of the STL operation in the whole country. Because if you can see that that was manipulated to favor some winners, then you are in trouble. No, not you, but those who approved that, those winners. Anyway, so, ma'am, si Attorney Paquera, andyan si Attorney Paquera?
Good morning, Mr. Chair. Present.
Nasaan ka? Attorney Paquera. Anong position mo sa panahon ni GM Garma?
I was EA6, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Ikaw si OS. Chief of
Yes.
Staff.
Yes, Mr. Chair, but based on the organizational structure of the office, tatlo po yung EA6.
Tatlong EA6.
Yes, in the office of the General
But
Manager.
during the time that you were in that office, ikaw yung pinaka Chief of Staff. Am I correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So lahat ng mga communication are being translated to you, correct?
All from the receiving section, Mr. Chair, yung communications po, sinasala po yan. Tapos the rest that are not under the a specific person, sa akin po napupunta lahat.
And during that time na nawala ka, ang pumalit sa iyo si Lot Griar.
I have no personal knowledge on that, Mr. Chair.
Kung
After I
siya
left,
pinalit. Yes.
I don't have any personal
No,
knowledge.
Lot Griar was detailed doon sa PCSO. But nakikita mo siyang kasama doon sa loob ng opisina.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Si Lot Griar, andito siya. So, during all your time that you were assigned as COS of the PCSO, Lot Griar was always there.
Yes, Mr. Chair. I believe, Mr. Chair, nauna sila sa akin.
Yes.
Because I came in sometime in August already.
Oh, sige, Lot Griar, ba't ka nandun sa loob? Anong ginagawa mo sa loob ng opisina? Anong item mo? Anong item mo sa PCSO at ba't nandun ka sa loob ng opisina ng GM?
Magandang umaga, Your Honor. DS po ako kay Ma'am Garma, Your Honor.
Correct.
Naka-duty detail po ako sa kanya.
So, hanggang sa loob ng kaloob-looban ng opisina na kung saan nagtatrabaho si GM together with the COS, you're still there inside?
Nasa dulo po ako, Your Honor.
Hindi, sinasabi nga ni nandun ka sa loob eh.
Opo, nandun sa loob, pero yung cubicle ko po, Your Honor, sa pinakadulo.
So, in other words, hindi ka nawawala sa tabi ni GM Garma. You're always there.
Sa tabi niya, hindi kami makapasok sa
Are
office.
you assigned outside or inside the perimeter of the PCSO?
Outside ng office ni Ma'am Garma, Your Honor.
Okay, sige. I will show you something, Lot, ikaw rin ang nangungontrata ng mga food packs doon? Ha?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
O, sige ha.
Opo.